Hi everyone. Today I'm reviewing Abacum, a business planning and financial management platform designed to help finance teams streamline their processes and make data-driven decisions. If you're wondering whether Abacum is the right choice for your business in 2025, stick around for a detailed breakdown. Abacum offers several core features, all organized into easy-to-navigate tabs. Dashboard O provides a high-level overview of financial data, KPIs, and company performance. You can customize it to focus on the most critical metrics for your business. Scenario Planning O. This feature allows you to model different financial scenarios and forecast outcomes. You can compare multiple what-if scenarios, making it easier to assess potential risks and opportunities. Budgeting and Forecasting automate budgeting processes and align your financial plans with real-time data. The platform integrates seamlessly with ERP, CRM, and other data sources, ensuring accuracy. Collaboration O enables teams to collaborate on budgets and reports without switching between multiple tools. You can assign tasks, add comments, and keep track of changes in one place. Integrations connects easily with popular platforms like Salesforce, NetSuite, and Google Sheets to ensure smooth data flow. Pros: user-friendly interface, clean and intuitive design that's easy to navigate, even for non-technical users. Advanced scenario modeling, great for creating multiple financial scenarios and comparing outcomes. Real-time collaboration, boosts team productivity by keeping everyone aligned on financial goals. Seamless integrations, saves time by syncing data from multiple sources. Cons: learning curve for new users. Some advanced features may take time to master. Pricing for smaller teams might be a bit expensive for startups or small businesses with limited budgets. Limited customization. While the templates and reports are helpful, more flexibility would be a plus. If you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one platform that simplifies business planning, Abacum is definitely worth considering. It's ideal for mid-sized and larger organizations that need robust financial forecasting and collaboration tools. However, if you're a small startup or on a tight budget, you might want to weigh the cost versus the features you'll actually use. Abacum gets a solid 8.5 out of 10 from me. It's a fantastic choice for finance teams looking to automate workflows and improve decision-making in 2025. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on the best business tools.